All right, everybody. Okay, I finally got my stuff together over here. Goodness gracious. Oh, woo. I'm just trying to do this in a nice, clean way so you can see what I'm getting ready to show you guys. Okay, this is capital redeployment. All right. I moved my EOS to Decred. In my previous videos, you guys saw that. If you have not seen that, check it out. I will leave a link in the description down below. Okay. Now let's get to it. So what you see here now is the trading view chart for Decred. I dare not touch this chart because it will reorder my objects that I actually have hidden from view, like that one. And that shouldn't even be there. That should be up here. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, now, like this one. That is the alert. Trading view alerts me. Now, for $45 in the previous video, I drew this alert. Okay. And I decided in that previous video, you can see how I decided and came up with the choice to say 45 is a very good price to buy Decred. Okay. Decred never ICO'd. It's Litecoin on steroids. All right. Because it moves so much and you can make so much money as it moves. It does like the move. It has moves like of $10, $20 moves. And it's only a $45 coin, okay? And now, next. That's even backwards, okay? Next one. Boom. Did I buy there? No. I bought here. Okay, now back here on this thing right here, that level right there, what happened was I actually bought in right about here. No, I'm sorry, wrong one. I suck. There it is. That's where I bought in at. Can you guys see that? I bought in right here. Boom. Okay, what day was that? Looks like the 28th. Okay, I did a call out video. It went down here, and wait. Let's go back here. It was down here at first. Then it went down here, and it went down there, and I was like, oh, it's never going back because it went right here. Price action kind of made me think, boom, it's never coming back here ever. The way Bitcoin was just going up in price, I'm like, it's never going to come back down here to 45. So what happened was I missed this point because I had to transfer stuff and transfer my dip. Boom, right here, I buy in. Boom. It goes all the way up there. Okay. My capital is stuck. If I don't take it out right here, my capital is stuck. So I don't take it off. I have it in my exchange wallet, so I would have to exchange it. What I need to do is transfer from my Exodus wallet and transfer it over to an exchange if I want to start redeploying my capital that's stuck right now. I haven't taken it out. Now look, it's been up and down so many times. That's what prompted me to make this video about capital redeployment. Now, right now my capital is stuck. I haven't redeployed it. It's not at a point where I can take profit either. So right here, it goes up here, boom. And then I did not sell. Okay, I thought it was going higher, to tell you the truth. So why sell if you think it's going higher? Am I right? Then it goes all the way down here, back down to my buy level, my buy call out, $45. It touches it, boom. Next thing, it goes back up here, boom. I did not sell. I didn't do anything. I'm just holding the position at this point. This is another take profit zone. I could have took profit here and redeployed it down here and bought back again, but I didn't. So what you see now, boom, boom. I could have bought back in, boom, sold right there. Then gathered all my profit money, which would have been bigger. I would have had more Decreds at this point if I would buy more down here. If I were to buy more down there, I could have did this how many times? 1, 2, and this is the third time I would have been back in on my third position, on my third capital redeployment. Okay, And now here we go. How can we do this? All right, now this is what I come up with. I'm trying to work on how I can increase my skills in capital deployment. As you can see, I know how to not execute capital deployment. You know what? I should rename my channel that. I'm trying to brand my channel. My channel is called Mining Trades right now. I'm definitely going to keep it like that. But you know what sounds better? Not capital redeployment. Trade execution. Mining trade executions. I don't know, but that sounds cool. Anyway, check this out. Now, this is giving me practice to do my videos, because I did this retake on this video a couple of times. What I want to show you now is the forecast I got. I came up with this forecast because, as you can see, it went from here to here. The first time after I got in, when I wanted to get in at 45 level, I actually got in at this level, which is, what level is that? There's a price label that I need to show, and that's the $58. I got in right there at the $58 level. Okay, so now here goes a forecast from that price level of $58.52 to the high of $74.33. If you notice, that says 15%. So it moved 15%. And this is an hour chart. It tells you right here in the price, 9 hours to move 15%. Those are key things that, no, I'm sorry. That's $15. I'm sorry. It moved $15 in 9 hours, which is 26%, 26.71%. All right, there you go. Now I said it right. Sorry about that. Okay, it moved 26%. That means if I would have put $1,000 in right here and took profit up there, I would have made 260 bucks. Okay, that's how you do the calculations. That's how we're going to do the calculations on this channel per every $1,000. Even though I'm not trading with $1,000, that's how you want to look at. Oh, $260 if I'd have used $1,000. We're going to work our way up to $1,000, but right now we're using $100. So that's $26. If you're using 300, that's $75. Okay, there you go. I'm using what you see right now. Okay, 26%. That's what I'm using. Now I'm going to also reveal the next forecast, which is right here. Now, from that point to that point, all right, if I would have sold right there and got my, 26%, my $15, okay, per coin, I would have came back down here and bought it again with an additional $15 plus the money that I put in to buy the first coin, which was $58. So I would have bought an additional coins, pieces of $15 worth of Decred right here at this level. So it's cheaper, and I would have bought more. That is magical. That's the power of being able to redeploy capital, and that's why we're looking at these percentage moves right now. And I'm actually coming up with this right now, and it's on the fly, and we need to be able to team up and put our heads together so we can create what they call a mastermind. Yeah, the mastermind is when you put more heads, you get more heads together, like a team of people together, and your minds together create a mastermind. And that's when, I know this sounds crazy, but that's when the sum is greater. That mastermind becomes greater than the sum of its individual parts. Okay, it's crazy. It's a little thing called synergy. Yeah, and I believe in that. So that's why I'm making this channel, because if I didn't make this channel, I wouldn't even be able to discover what I'm doing right now, which I haven't seen anyone do anywhere else. Okay, so look, 23%. You're gonna be amazed by this. 23% from here to here. No, $23 from here to here. I'm sorry, and that's 50% gains. Ooh, I would have redeployed that and get made 50%. Oh, I feel crazy right now because I didn't do this. All right, I didn't know to do this because this is hindsight looking back. All right, and we're going to try to figure out how to take advantage of this But keep watching and you'll see where I'm going with this. Now, this goes back down, touches the same call out line again. Okay, $45. I would have bought right there again. As you can see, I would have bought right here on $58 because I know it's going back up here. But look, my capital is still stuck at this point. I was gonna buy some more right here because it touched it again. I was just about to do that, but I was like, can't get my capital over to my wallet to exchange fast enough. I need to get to Bittrex, and then because that's where this is actually trading at, on Bittrex, I believe. I'm going to do some more research on that, but I do believe that this is at Bittrex right now. Bittrex real time Decred. These are the Bittrex prices that you see on this chart. Now look, boom, it's back, it's going back up. Where do I take profit again so I can redeploy it? That's what we're on now. We're not going to just tie up our profit. I'm tying up capital right now, not profit, but capital that I could be redeploying and making more capital and growing my capital. And that's the whole point of this video, is to talk about how we do this and get skills at doing this. Because as you can see, I haven't been doing this. I don't have the skills to do this. I'm developing them. And that's one of the reasons why I made this channel, so we can help each other out. And the mastermind will also ultimately cause us to gain extreme amount of intelligence, more so than we could ever, do by ourselves. We can never come up with these ideas by ourselves. We're social creatures, and I believe in that 100%, 200%. So subscribe to my channel, hit that like button to promote the channel, because when you hit like, it really doesn't do anything except put it in front of everybody else. Okay, it's a way for Google's analytics team to see which channels people are actually liking, because that's what they want to know, that stuff. So if you guys like this, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button, and after you hit subscribe, for you noobs out there that are new to YouTube, you got to also hit the bell icon. It's a bell shaped icon right next to that only appears after you subscribe to a channel. It causes alerts to be sent to your phone. Okay, wherever you got your Google account, it'll send you an alert. Okay, whenever I post a new video, you'll be sent alert if you click that bell. All right, and that's how you do it. So now here's the problem. Where do you take profit? How do you know? In hindsight, yeah, of course I could have just that, but I always thought it was going higher. That's why I didn't take it. Every time it went up here, I thought, hey man, I'm not getting out of that. And then as you see, when it drops fast. And when it goes up fast. So we're going to figure that out right now. I've already figured it out. It's these things, these levels right here. Look. What's that say? 33%. All right. Let's see. Forecast again. Boom. The other forecast. All right. Now look, if you see these horizontal lines, I made them small on purpose because they're very relevant. These are the previous levels right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal them. This line right here is incredible too. I'm going to talk about that right now, but I'm going to just reveal all my drawings. All right. What's this one? Oh, that's the block. That's where I actually bought in the second time. That's where I bought in the first time. All right, so okay. Everything's revealed. Okay. I can, whew, that was crazy. Now, let's go and pull up the portfolio so you can see why these two lines, these two thick green lines, are my two positions that I purchased. I think I did a video and I already posted that, but I know you guys are going to want to see where it's at, because last time I posted was down here where I just drew this support and resistance line right here. Here's another support and resistance line, these two red lines. You see, it's been here before. All right. They've definitely been there before. Now this should never have gotten that far out of. Hey, I want to move this thing. What the hell? It's crazy. You telling me once I draw these things I can't move them? Okay, well, how about this? It's 26%. We're going to keep down, but this one, this is the wrong one. All right, we're going to redraw that in just a minute. So let's go over here and look at this. Portfolio up 50 bucks. All right, let's see. That's nothing, right? That's cool. But look at this. Decred position 1, decred position 2. $58, $45. Looks, just watch the last video, but this is just an update to what's going on. I'm still $7 behind on the first position I took, which is this one. You click collapse and you're gonna get this $54 mark, okay? Because it adds the 2 positions into one. If you can see that right there, now I'm up 4%, okay? Because it's actually looking at 2 positions as one, and then it averages out where it says this is actually where I bought in at 54, 56. Okay, so what I do, I add that onto the chart right here. Here's where I added that position, that average position right there. Okay, that above average position, I like to say, and we're only right here right now. Okay, so let me pull this like that. We're right here. We're at $56.77, and what I'm going to do is figure out where to take profit. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my tool here. This is called the this is called a forecaster in trading view. Forecast right here. So what happens here too, I'm just going to give you guys a quick lesson on trading view. You hit the star, it adds it to your favorites toolbar right here, which is you can move this thing around to where you want. It's always going to be visible. I like to put it up there, but it kind of hides it. These are all the favorite tools I like to use, so I can just click here when I want to use a tool. I'm going to put the magnet on because it allows it to stick to certain price levels on the chart. And what I want to do is I want to figure out, why does it move in 26%, 26%, then double that right here, right? So right here, I'm going to look and say, okay, the price is where I bought in is at right here, right? I bought in right here again, which is right where this green line is at, because I bought in actually right here where the green line is at 45.93. So I'm going to grab that level, 45.84. Okay, that's fine. And then I want to move it till it says something like but let me take this magnet off. I don't want the magnet at this point. I want to move it somewhere until where it says 15%. %, 21%. That is not doing what it did before. Well, still interesting to me. Okay, I don't know how I did that last time. And when I was hitting these levels, no, it's 26%. I'm sorry, 26%. So I'm gonna go up here, 22%. All right, let's go up here, 26%, between 26%. 26% is right about here. That's what happened right here. 26%, 27%, 27%, 26%. That's close to where I bought in last time. So what it looks like is it's going to keep bouncing right here, because it likes to make 26.30% moves, 26.36% moves. Here's another 26.30% move right there. Okay, it may bounce off this line. Don't be surprised if it bounces off this 26% move. It goes up here, right here. See that? That's like where the 26% move is at. 25.81%. I'll just put it right here because of this line right here. It bounced. It went from here. This is the bottom, 30%. Okay, 25%. This is not an exact science, folks, but it basically moves like this in 25% moves. Then it'll come back down like it did right here, like it did before back here. That's why I drew these lines right here. When I noticed this, I drew a line right here. Now I drew a line right there because these are like, it's coming up here and then it's bouncing back down right here. Boom, boom, boom. Now it passed this part, so it's not bouncing from this red line anymore. So it's up. So what is it going to do? It's going to bounce right here. It's going to bounce off of it. It's a support and resistance level. It's a price where people buy and sell at and not willing to buy or sell at. It's kind of strange, but it's hard to figure out. Just got to look at these charts. Now, I want to move this thing out of my way because this thing I can't really hide is failure. All right. Success. How did I succeed? I don't know. Anyway, it hasn't been up here yet and I haven't taken profits yet. I think that right now, I don't know. I would say if it crosses this point, take profit. If it starts heading back down, I'm sorry, the other way around. If it crosses this part, stay in a position. If it starts heading back down, take profit, and then when it touches this line again, redeploy your capital. Okay, that's the whole point I'm trying to make with this video. It got to get past this 25% line because it might do 50%. Now, if it does 50%, it will be taking profit somewhere up here at $73. It tells you right here, $73 right there. So what I'll do is I'll draw a sell line right here. How do we do that? With our toolbar. Did you put it up there? Yeah, horizontal line. Boom. Grab the red, and then right here, let me put my magnet on. Let's see, will it stick right there? Yeah. Boom. There you go. Now, I don't know if that actually did it, but I don't want that width to be that big. I want this to be a little bit medium, and I want this to be a sell. I want this to be a sell line where I actually target to sell line. Let me go inside of this. Let me double click on the line to see coordinates, and it's at 73.91, 73.31, 73.91. That's $15 from this green line, okay? And that's why this is a great tool, this forecaster. Now, I think that about concludes. I'll just make this $74 even. I'm missing a whole dollar. Hell no. 70, 50. How about that? How about 70, 75? I need that 3/4. How about that? There we go. That looks good. Now, oh, this is 73.91. I'm sorry. 73.75. There we go. That's what I want. Okay, and if it crosses this mark right here, do we know what price this is? It's 57.58. I don't care. For me, if it doesn't cross this, okay, then we're headed back down, and I'm going to try to sell out I'm about to transfer Decred from out of my Exodus wallet, and I'm going to transfer it into the wallet sitting on an exchange called Bittrex. And I hope this doesn't take forever. I will be letting you guys know how this goes, so I'll do that right now. I'm going to post this video so you guys can tune in. All right, sorry for taking so long with this. I was trying to do everything I just did way back here before the price went all the way back up here. I was down, it was down here, and I was trying to make this video, guys. We had a consolidation period right here, so, and I was just fumbling the ball, all my mouth and my words. Okay, anyway, too much info. Let's get back to trading. All right, guys, bye, and gals. 25 minutes and 50